They say dogs have owners, but cats have staff. Ever wonder why your feline overlord acts like they signed the deed to your house and you're just living there rent-free? Well, buckle up, fellow cat servants, because we're diving deep into the hilarious and fascinating world of why cats truly believe they own everything. It's not just an act, it's a deeply ingrained part of their cat behavior, explained by a blend of instinct, evolution, and a generous dash of pure feline sass. Let's start with scent marking. It's like their invisible spray paint, but instead of "Kilroy was here," it screams, "This is mine!" When your cute cat video star rubs their face against your leg, the furniture, or even your unsuspecting head, they're not just being affectionate. Oh no. Those adorable headbutts are actually depositing pheromones from glands on their cheeks and forehead. These special scents are like little cat ownership flags, subtly telling anyone, or anything, that this territory and you belong to them. This is one of those funny cat facts that changes how you see every purr-filled head bonk. It's not just a sign of love, it's a declaration of property rights. And speaking of property, have you ever noticed their meticulous grooming habits? Beyond staying sparkling clean, it's another way they maintain their scent profile, reinforcing their claim on their domain. Then there's the high ground advantage. Ever notice your cat perched on top of the bookshelf, surveying their kingdom from on high? This isn't just for a good view, it's prime cat science at play. In the wild, elevated positions offer safety from predators and an excellent vantage point for spotting prey. Even though your biggest predator is probably the vacuum cleaner, that instinct remains. From up there, they can monitor their staff, that's you, and ensure everything is running to their exacting standards. It's a display of dominance, a subtle reminder that they are indeed at the top of the household hierarchy. This cat trivia might make you chuckle next time you find them napping on your highest shelf. What about those slow blinks? Ah, the famous cat kiss. While it is a sign of trust and affection, it also subtly communicates comfort and security in their environment. A cat feeling safe and in charge will be more relaxed, leading to those slow, dreamy eye closures. It's their way of saying, "All is well in my domain." Understanding your cat's body language is key to deciphering these silent declarations of ownership. And let's not forget the kneading. Those adorable making biscuits paws are a leftover kitten behavior, yes, but they also serve to spread their scent through the tiny glands in their paw pads. Every knead is another little mark of ownership, essentially saying, "This blanket, this lap, this human, all mine, thank you very much." Even their sleeping spots are strategic. Why do they always choose the most inconvenient places? Your keyboard, your laundry basket, or right in the middle of the hallway? Beyond comfort, it's about scent and security. They're reinforcing their presence, spreading their unique scent, and claiming those spots as their own. It's a part of their weird cat habits that makes you wonder if they're deliberately trying to trip you. And the vocalizations. From demanding meows for food to chirps and trills, they've learned how to communicate their needs and desires to their human companions. They know exactly how to manipulate us with those adorable sounds to get what they want, solidifying their role as the household's demanding yet charming ruler. This is why cat personality types vary so much, but they all share that underlying sense of entitlement. Finally, consider the gift of a toy mouse, or even, a less pleasant offering at your feet. This isn't just a present. It's a demonstration of their hunting prowess and an offering from their bounty. It's their way of sharing the spoils of their hunt, even if the prey was just a dust bunny, and further integrating you into their feline social structure. They are, in essence, providing for their human family, reinforcing their position as the capable provider and protector of their territory. It's a sweet, if sometimes gross, testament to their belief in their rightful place at the head of the household. So, next time your furry friend gives you that knowing look from their perch on the fridge, remember, they're not just living in your house, you're living in theirs. Which cat fact surprised you the most? Or does your cat do something else that screams, "I own this place"? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more perfectly delightful cat content.